down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah.
Hi everyone! So it's Nicole here and welcome back again for another video. In today's video, I am going to talk about how I save up or how I budget my money as a working student. So if hindi ka working student, it's really fine. Applicable pa rin naman tong mga tips na i-share ko if you're just working and you wanted to know how to properly allocate your finances. So you are in the perfect video because I am going to talk about finances, budgeting, and saving up. So by the way, this video is suggested by a viewer on my previous vlog. So if hindi nyo pa napapanood yung vlog ko, that's a day in my life. So check it out, guys. So ilalagay ko siya sa card dito. So doon sa video na yon, nag-comment siya on gawa daw ako ng video how I spend or how I budget na lang my salary. And also hindi lang sa mga salary, lahat ng pumapasok na money sa akin. Thank you so much sis for suggesting that video. And if kung may video suggestion pa kayo, just comment it. Again, for today's video, I'm going to talk about saving. I will be sharing with you guys 5 tips on how I achieve saving 100,000 or 100,000 pesos less than a year of working. Yes, it's really possible na makapag-save up ka ng ganong amount ng money, especially sa age na lalo na medyo ka-age ko kayo or teen kayo, student. Just a little background about sa akin. So, I am actually studying BSBA, Financial Management of Far Eastern University, Diliman. Course talks about finances, accounting, and database, mga ganyan. But lahat ng mga i-share ko sa inyong tips is based on my personal experience, guys. Just a disclaimer. Iba-iba tayo ng ways kung paano i-handle yung finances. And guys, this is based on my personal experience as a working student. And as a student, hindi pa naman ako yung breadwinner ng family, like ako yung nagbabayad ng bahay, ng electricity, or bills. I do help sometimes but not all the time. Siguro, ayun yung advantage natin being a student, working na nasa parents pa kasi meron tayong freedom na i-manage yung lahat ng pera natin. Yung mga tips na sabihin ko is feeling ko applicable sa mga working students like me kung paano ka mag-save up in your early 20s or late teen. By the way, I'm 19, so wala pa ako sa 20s, but malapit na ako. Start early. Maganda if sinisimulan mo na ng mas maaga as soon as possible. Let's start, guys. I will be sharing with you my tips and tricks how I save up 100,000 pesos as a working student. So, my first tip is do not overspend. Do not overspend your salary or your money. The money you saved is the money you earned. Again, ang perang naipon mo ay perang nakita mo. So, this is from a quote from Chinkitan. So, actually, I'm reading his book, My Ipon Diary. So, ito yung tsura niya. And I really learned about this book, kung paano ba talaga yung mag-ipon on your early stage. So, I have a scenario here. So, for example, person A. Person A, meron siyang salary for 20,000 in a month. And then, he wanted to buy like a shoes. Since etong si person A is hindi niya vina-value masyado yung savings. So, or he bought a shoes around 15,000 pesos. So, imagine mo, yung salary mo for 20,000 pesos is nagastos mo lang sa shoes worth 15,000 pesos. Ayan. And then, meron naman tayong person B dito. Ang person B naman is yung salary niya is 10,000 pesos. Pero, yung binili niyang shoes, which is kailangan niya rin talaga ng shoes, bumili siya ng for only 1,000 pesos. So, let's do the math. I-calculate nyo yung earnings nyo into savings. So, sinong mas mayaman doon? Si person A ba or si person B? So, ang natira na lang kay person A is 5,000 pesos. And kay person B, meron siyang natirang 8,000 pesos. Kahit na gaano pa kalaki yung sweldo mo, you should really spend based on how you earn. Hindi ka dapat mag-spend ng more than sa kinikita mo. Lalo na kung mahilig kayo mag-online shopping, mag-Lazada. Again, hindi dapat e-exceed sa pera na meron ka yung igagastos mo. And And also for tracking my savings, I always do the 70, 20, and 10% method. So for me, ganun ko hawakin yung money ko. So 70% is savings, 20% dito na nakasama yung wants and needs ko. Mga bills na ipipay ko, pati yung mga Shopee and Lazada, basta lahat ng wants and needs. Kasama yung mga Netflix subscription, yung part ko sa internet. So nasa 20% yon, and lastly is yung 10% which is tight. So bawat money na pumapasok sa akin is ina-allocate ko na agad sa 70%, 20%, and 10%. So, ganun ako mag-budget, nakalaan na siya every time na may pumapasok na money sa akin. So, mas organized siya, and then hindi lang siya nasa isang bank account. If may payroll ka, mas okay talaga na mag-open ka at least 2 or 3 bank accounts. Convenient para sa akin kasi mas natatrack ko yung savings ko. My second tip, practice delayed gratification. So, this is the practice of the ability to wait before you spend. So, ayan, i-wait mo muna kung kailangan mo ba talaga itong gamit na to, or feeling mo lang kasi uso kaya gusto mo bilhin, useful ba siya, ganyan, or meron bang mas may murang option. Practice delayed gratification. Wait at least 7 days. Isipin mo munang mabuti bago mo bilhin. Parang parusahan mo yung sarili mo bago mo bilhin yung gamit na yon. For example, kailangan ko ng tripod. Ganyan. Kailangan ko ba talaga ng tripod? And then, I tried filming videos na patong-patong yung books ko, ganyan. And then, dun ko na-realize na kailangan ko na pala ng tripod kasi nahihirapan ako. Parang nung nagkaroon na ako ng tripod, mas lalo kong na-appreciate yung gamit na yun. Kasi, delayed gratification pa ako. Nag-wait pa talaga ako. Minake sure ko muna na kailangan ko ba talaga tong gamit na to. Kaya kayo guys, if may bibilhin kayo, talagang always think first before you buy something. Ayan lang naman guys, do not impulsive buying. Dito talaga nagkakatalo yung savings natin if you do impulsive buy. And next naman, kasama rin to ng second tip ko, which is stop lifestyle inflation. So ano nga ba yung lifestyle inflation? So ito yung angat ng lifestyle natin. So since you are already working, syempre pag nag-work ka, parang nagugulat ka, uy may pera ka na, malaki na yung pera mo, may sweldo ka na. Which leads us na mas mag-overspend, na dating nakasanayan natin, like for example, okay na sa atin yung Parisian bag, ganyan. Pero, since nagkaroon tayo ng pera, mas lumalaki yung pasok ng pera natin. Parang gusto mo magkaroon ng Balenciaga bag, ng Dior, which is sobrang mahal. Hindi mo dapat pinapractice yung lifestyle inflation. For example, if pwede na tong gamit na ganito sa'yo before, nung wala ka pang money, dapat pwede pa rin siya hanggang ngayon. Like, hindi mo dapat ini-inflate yung sarili mo based on your salary. Kasi dun talaga tayo, medyo nababawasan yung savings natin. Imbes na masisave up mo, mas bibilin mo yung mahal na gamit. Kasi nga, thinking mo or nasa isip mo is may money ka na. Ganon. Just like for example, eto, sa coffee, ganyan. So, ako kasi every morning, okay lang sa akin mag 3-in-1 coffee, mag Nescafe. But since medyo mataas na yung kinikita ko, for example lang ha, hindi kasi sabi mataas na talaga. But for example, you ended up buying Starbucks every morning. Okay na sa'yo before, like wala ka ng problem sa Nescafe. Nescafe. Like Nescafe before, bakit ka mag-i-inflate ng lifestyle na bigla ka mag-Starbucks every morning? So, okay lang naman na mag-Starbucks. Like, there's nothing wrong with that. It's not just everyday mo siyang gagawin kasi it's an affordable luxury. Yung mga ganong drinks like milk tea, like 150 pesos milk tea, coffee, ganyan. Which is a 5 pesos coffee. Like, okay ka na sa ganong klaseng coffee eh. Ayun lang guys, we should also remember, okay lang naman na once in a while you treat yourself. There's nothing wrong with that. As long as you're not doing it everyday. Kasi kung iisipin mo, if everyday kang nagko-coffee ng let's say 100 pesos coffee every morning, i-times mo siya sa 31 days in a month. So, meron ka na agad na gastos na 3,100. So, ayun guys, stop lifestyle inflation. Okay, so for my third tip is do not put all your eggs in one basket. So, ano ba yung meaning neto? So, do not put all your finances in just one place or one bank account, one basket, one wallet, ganyan. Put it in different bank account. I-allocate mo siya sa different accounts, sa different wallet, if wala ka pang bank account. Why? Why is this important? Because, if nakita mong nasa iisang account lang lahat ng pera mo, for example, sa payroll mo is nasa iisang bank, parang minsan makikita mo mabibigla ka na parang ang taas na pala ng pera mo, ganyan. Parang ang dami mo na palang pera, ganyan yung thinking. And then mag-iisip ka, paano ko ba to magagastos, ganyan. Which is not really a good habit, lalo na pag nakikita mong sobrang laki na ng pera mo. However, if you are putting your eggs or putting all your money in different basket, like for example, you have money on BDO, NBPI, Security Bank, basta magkakahiwalay siya, 30,000 each, ganyan. Instead na nakaloob lang sa isang 100,000 sa isang bank, if you have allocated it, makikita mo na parang ang konti pa ng pera mo. Magkakaroon ka ng mindset na parang, ay, ang konti pa pala ng pera ko. Parang hindi pa siya ganun kataas para i-spend ng i-spend. And also, the good thing about putting your money in different basket is that meron ka nakahanda for emergency fund, meron kang shopping allowance, or meron ka rin parang savings, ganyan. And meron ka naman parang expenses fund, and different accounts. So, mas okay siya, mas organized. And at the same time, matatrack mo na rin kung magkano ba yung emergency fund ko, which is like 3 to 6 months of your lifestyle. For example, you're paying internet bills. Ayan, so meron na siyang at least 3 months na nandun, ganyan. So again, it's much better if you put your money in different accounts or in different wallet if wala ka pang bank account. But I really do suggest to open bank accounts in different banks kasi wag lang yung sa payroll mo Kunyari, nare-receive mo yung sweldo mo sa PNB, ganyan. Wag lang sa iisang bank account. Mas okay pa rin talaga sa iba't ibang accounts. Okay, so we are now down with the number 4 tip ko. 4 tip ko, this is very simple, very common, most common siya na ginagawa. But this is really hard for some. This is to track your spending and to track your saving. So, meron akong i-share sa inyo guys na spreadsheet. So, ito yung tsura niya. Hindi ko na lang papalinawin kasi nandito lahat ng mga, anong tawag dito, lahat ng mga finances ko. I have this like a spreadsheet from Miss Thea Bautista. So actually, I really love that vlogger kasi she's like a tita. Para siyang tita ko na she's teaching about finances, entrepreneurship, ganyan. And galing to yung spreadsheet na to sa kanya. This is how I track my savings. This year, 2021 ko siya na-start. So, sobrang organized lang kasi ipapakita ko rin dito sa screen. So, meron siya ditong mga asset, total ng assets mo. Tapos, nandito yung mga cash and cash equivalents. Kunwari, nakalista na dito yung mga bank account mo, yung mga cash mo in different wallets if you are having your money like physically, ganyan. So, sobrang matatrack mo yung magkano na ba yung in-expense mo. And I also have a tip sa inyo guys. I have a physical notebook over here na dito ko rin nilalagay yung mga expense tracker ko. As simple as, for example, bumili ako ng damit sa Shopee worth 200 pesos. I will list it on my expense. Bumili ako ng air fryer, 1,500. I will also list it. Hanggang sa i-total mo siya for 15 days. Malalaman mo na, ay ganito pala karami yung mga sinespend ko sa 15 days. And then, isusulat ko rin doon yung salary ko for that 15 days. So, doon mo natatrack kung na-overspend ka na ba. For example, ang salary mo is 15,000 and then expenses mo is nasa around 5,000. So, okay pa ba yun sa'yo? Like yung savings mo, 10,000 in 15 days, okay pa rin ba? So, it will really help you. Like, mag-annotate lang talaga kayo. Like, practice writing, practice tracking, your savings and expenses. Again, this is the most common, but it's really, really helpful, guys. Okay, so now we are done with my 5th or last tip with you guys. So, if meron mang tinuro si COVID-19 sa akin or sa ating lahat, na natutunan ko rin sa ibang tao is have multiple source of income. So, even though you are so young, it's also important for you to have like emergency source of income. Kasi, yung work, what if yung work mo is nawala, lalo na ngayong pandemic, maraming nawawala ng work. Have a business aside, like invest your money on stocks or in real estate, ano pa ba, create your own content. So, pwede kayong magkaroon like a backup source of income. So, just like me, I am working in Akadso, working in Native Gam. So, I have 2 companies kung saan ako nag-work. And then, I also have like a content, ganyan, and YouTube, ganyan yung ginagawa ko. Like, I also do work with brands, I do editing, I do speak in front of people or speak in my camera and then earn money, ganyan. And I also do sometimes sell, ganyan. So again, it's really important for you to have multiple source of income. It also comes with business, guys. Lalo na ngayong pandemic, sobrang tinuruan tayo ni pandemic na businesses pwede talaga siyang malugi. Like, kahit na anong mangyari, hindi mo alam kung malulugi ba yung business mo. May times na malulugi na siya, ganyan. And it's really important for you na hindi ka lang umaasa sa isang source of income. Hindi ka lang nakaasa sa work mo or sa business mo. Like, if you have a business, you can have like a part-time, you can invest on stocks or invest on real estate as well. And also, start your own content, ganyan. You can earn on YouTube, yan, kahit saan naman. Pwede ka mag-earn on the internet. So, ayun lang guys talaga. Hindi ko sinasabing na angkinin mo na lahat ng work or ma-burnt out ka sa lahat ng work. It's just that, mas okay nang handa. Mas okay nang prepared ka sa mga emergency. Lalo na ngayon, kung meron man talagang tinuro sa akin si COVID, it's about to have a multiple source of income. Huwag kang magre-rely sa iisang work. Huwag kang magre-rely sa iisang business. Kailangan meron kang different source of income. Meron kang different ways kuha ng money. So, ayun lang naman guys, lahat ng mga tips ko. Actually, kulang pa siya kasi ayoko nang masyadong mahabang video. If kung gagawa man ako ng isa pang video about finances, I think I will make some soon. But anyway, I hope you really learned something from my video today, and I really do hope that it inspired you to have savings, to start save. And then I hope you will apply these tips as well, lalo na sa mga working students, sa mga lahat ng mga working dyan. So again guys, this is Nicole. If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button and like this video. And if you have more suggestion, just comment it down below. Again, thank you so much guys for watching my vlog, my first finance vlog for today. And I hope to see you again soon. Again guys, this is Nicole and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye! Thank you!